Look at that. And like I said, it's not glued down. So look at that, not glued down. But we just got, look how it's melting. Like, come on, bye knots. Hey guys, how's it going? So we are back today with another pre-cut wig install. So today's gonna be a same day install, guys. Very simple. So this hair video is actually sponsored by Sumner Hair Company, guys. This is my second time collaborating with this company. So they did go ahead and send me their reddish brown curly unit, guys. This is a closure style unit, guys, and this is the bye knots. So the knots on this one are very small compared to the 13x4 units, guys. This one is also pre-plucked, guys, and also comes with the baby hairs already pre-done on this. So this is a very simple unit, guys. It does come with a big adjustable strap in here and a large comb in the back. And the band on here is a very nice secure band, so this unit will fit very snug. You guys know I'm a medium to average cap size, so this unit fit my head very well, guys. So today's install is going to be very simple. I'm going to do like a little bit of product styling on this unit, but I'm going to talk through the install part just because I'm just plopping it on my head and just kind of fixing it and showing you guys how it looks. The unit is very pretty, guys. I'll do a close-up to show you guys the lace. The lace on this unit is very nice, guys, very soft, and the density on this one is a good density, and the length is also a nice length. This is 24 inches long, but keep in mind the hair is curly, so I'm going to wet it up and show you guys what it looks like and then give you guys the final result. So let me pop this one off and pop this one. All right, y'all, so this is what the wig looks like on my head plopped on. I feel like it's pretty seamless, guys. You really can't see that much on this unit. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is kind of bring some of these baby hairs down just because they're a little bit aggressive. So I'm just going to use a little tweezer and just kind of pull a little bit of the baby hairs out. Like, I feel like there's just a little bit too much for my liking on this little part right here, and just trim this down. I'm not going to take too much off. I'm going to go ahead and trim them a little maybe, or I'll probably just use a little bit of mousse and just kind of tame them down. But I just want to get a little bit of that baby hair off just to start the video, just because I feel like it's a bit much. Oh, there you go. That looks a little bit better, to be honest. I think that's all I'm gonna have to really do. I just need to dim it down a little bit. So I'm just kind of, you know, tweezing. Not going crazy, but just tweezing a little bit of this hair out. So that already, see, now that already looks better. It was just a little aggressive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little bit of a wax stick and just kind of separate a little bit of the baby hair section out, the region out, especially right here, because I want you guys to see how nice the wig looks. Like, the wig is pretty seamless. Like, they did a really good job on this. Obviously, I'm pulling it up right now because I'm pushing this wax stick in there, but the lace is very nice, guys. Very nice. Hopefully I got the middle part adjusted, because you know my middle part never be right. So hopefully that's correct. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb. I'm just going to press up on the sides just to make sure everything stays in place. I'm actually going to use a little hairspray as well, but I'm not going to glue this wig down. This is a glueless install, so I'm just kind of, you know, shaping the front in the middle and all that kind of stuff, so that before I put the product on it, it's gonna look nice and smooth and pretty. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm not sure if my part was middle parting. It probably still ain't middle parting now, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I spray so the part stays. So I'm using the Even Wonder Lace melting spray. I'm not gluing this wig down. I'm just using this as an overall spray for things I need to do right now as far as kind of laying certain spots down. I'm gonna wear the middle part style, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray above the hair here just to kind of make sure it stays nice and flat when I wear this unit, because I am gonna wet it in a few minutes. So I want to make sure that the wig is, you know, flat and pretty and slick in the front. It's not gonna glue me down. Let me go ahead and saw my comb so y'all see it's not gonna glue me down. I'm just putting it there so I can get that nice kind of like slick look, but still have a glueless effect. Y'all see that? Y'all can't really see nothing. Look at that. And like I said, it's not glued down. So look at that, not glued down. But we just got, look how it's melting. Like, come on, bye knots. Come on, bye knots. So it looks really good. Like I said, I just want to put this here so I can kind of get the hair to kind of, you know, stay in formation. So once I wet it and I wear it glueless, I'll have like this permanent style like that. You know what I'm saying? It'll be permanently like this, in this form. You know what I mean? So this is how I usually prep my glueless units, especially these bye wigs. They're just so simple. Obviously, I'm going to put product on them with you guys say let it air dry for about 2 hours, and then that's about it. So it is a same day install. You can wear it at night, or you can actually just rock it with the, you know, curly fro like this, but I'm extra, so you know me, I like to put a little product in my wigs and make my wigs look fabulous. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm just finding that out just so that I know where my part is at. I hope it's, if it ain't centered, guys, it really just ain't centered. I'm gonna add a little powder in here, but I'll add the powder in after I do the styling. So as far as the baby hairs, I think I'm just gonna use a little bit of the wax stick that I have and just put it on the baby hairs and just kind of like drag the baby hairs like that. I feel like just dragging like that is good. I don't think like, it's not that bad. Like I might even just let it do its own thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curling Mousse in. So I start off with mousse first and then I add, or do I do it the opposite way? Either way you do it, both products is going in the hair. So I start off with mousse first, guys, and the mousse really helps the curls, especially the ends, makes the hair look really, really pretty. And this mousse smells really, really good. I got this on sale for $5 at Walgreens. They had a sale on the African Pride hair product, so definitely check out your local Walgreens. They be having like good stuff. I'll leave a link down for the products that I use in today's video in my Amazon storefront. The link will be left down below for you guys per usual. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with some mousse, and obviously I'm putting it more towards the end just because the mousse really helps lock in the curl look formation at the end, and I'm gonna put it at the top. Well, basically put it all over the hair, but I kind of focus the mousse mostly in on the ends so that the ends can get that nice curlette look. And you wanna just run the brush through and you guys can see, look how pretty these curls are. Just say, I love curls like this. I love doing hairstyles like this. Let it air dry and then watch. You guys are gonna see the hair is gonna look so freaking pretty, so nice. You're gonna really see the red pop. The same way you guys saw it when it came packaged, but you wanna add your own little flair to it. You really wanna kind of see what the curls are giving. So I can tell you guys right now, these curls are definitely giving. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of curling cream from African Pride, and this was also $5 at Walgreens. There's a link down below for a bigger container for about $6 on my Amazon storefront. So like I said, make sure you check that. So I'm just gonna add some of the leave-in conditioner, the curling cream, and just kind of rub that in. This just kind of gives it like a little bit of a custard feel, kind of like holds the hair and locks the curl in place. The mousse defines the curls, and this one just kind of locks and defines it as well. So I love a good curling cream on my weave, so on my wigs. So yeah, you're gonna do the same at the top too. Even the top's gonna look kind of flat for now, but once it dries out, you guys will see what I'm gonna do to it so that I can get the fullness in the top and everything like that. We're just focused on getting a nice curl pattern going. We're kind of activating the curl pattern. So I'm gonna let this air dry, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so my hair is about 80% dry and it looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. Very, very cute. The baby hairs, I let them rock. I really didn't, care too much to mess with the baby hairs. I add a little powder in the middle part space, guys, so you guys can see how prominent it is. The hair itself is very, very pretty, guys. They really did this. Shout out to Sunbird Hair. This is very, very gorgeous. Now, this is definitely different from the other units that I reviewed in this type of color. This color is definitely more of the reddish brown color. Like it's like a true, like almost brown, but red is still there. So it's definitely a different color. And the curl pattern actually is a little bit nicer and soft as well too. When I actually combed this one out, it actually looked like it was a loose wave texture, but obviously you guys can see the prominent curl pattern in this one. It is absolutely stunning, guys. Very, very, very cute. Now, this one is supposed to be 24 inches long, and you guys know you guys get a little bit of shrinkage when you have curly hair. But if you go ahead and pull this hair, you can definitely notice that it is about 24 inches long. So the hair is lovely. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. All in all, I'm very, very pleased with this one, guys. And again, this is a glueless unit, guys, so you can lift this unit up and put it right back down. So the knots on this one are very seamless. You guys can see how it just melted right down. And this unit is not glued down whatsoever, guys. I just adjusted the strap on this one and I was good to go. So obviously the wig came to me in a middle part style, but I definitely think that this will look really, really cute in the side part. The edges on this unit are pretty seamless, guys. You won't really be able to see anything on the sides right here. Like I said, if you want to keep the baby hairs like that, you can. I'm just gonna leave the baby hairs like that just because I really think this is a nice unit. I'm probably gonna go ahead and switch this over to side part just to kind of have like a little bit more of a bouffant curl, but I think the middle part looks lovely, guys. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but they did a really good job on this unit. Very nice. This is the thickest density I've gotten in this color, and it's a true density and true length as well too, guys. So I'm really, really pleased. This is definitely the perfect unit for up and coming holidays, which is Thanksgiving and Christmas if you want to rock it out. I still think curls can be worn in the winter time as long as you preset it up before you walk out the house. Even if you walk out the house, it'll air dry really fast outside with a little bit of wind. But if you want to go ahead and set this up overnight on a mannequin head, it works perfectly fine. Then you go out with some nice fluffy juicy curls the next day. So absolutely love this unit. I love that it's a pre-cut unit, and I like that it's a glueless unit, guys, so it's ready to install. Add a little product to it and you are good to go. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out the Black Friday deals that Sunbird Hair has to offer this season. Happy holidays to everyone, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.